Framing multiplication word problems from given information. Question 2. Given 4 classes, 55 students in each class. Here, from the number of students in one class, we can find the number of students in 4 classes. So, the word problem is, if there are 55 students in each class, what is the number of students in 4 such classes? Question 3. Given 12 laddus in one box, 7 boxes. Word problem. How many laddus are there in 7 boxes if each box contains 12 laddus? Question 4. Given 8 teams, 11 players in each team. Word problem. How many players are there in 8 teams if each team contains 11 players? Word problems. Question 2. If 27 trees are planted in each row, how many trees are there in 9 such rows? Here it is given that the number of trees in each row is 27 and the number of rows is 9. We have to find the total number of trees. We can get the total number of trees by multiplying 27 by 9. Therefore, the total number of trees is 27 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 243. Thus, there are 243 trees in 9 rows. Question 3. What is the cost of 34 tickets at the rate of rupees 7 per ticket? Here, the given information is the number of tickets is 34 and the cost of each ticket is rupees 7. We have to find the total cost of 34 tickets. Therefore, the total cost of 34 tickets is 34 multiplied by 7, which is equal to rupees 238. Thus, 34 tickets will cost rupees 238. Question 6. If 12 children sit in one row, how many will sit in 3 rows? Given that the number of children sitting in one row is 12, therefore, the number of children sitting in 3 rows is 12 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 36. Thus, there are 36 children in 3 rows.
Application. What do we mean by 5 multiplied by 7 or 5 into 7? The number 5 which is to be multiplied is multiplicand. 7 is multiplier. This means that we add number 5 7 times. The tables you have learnt all involve the operation of multiplication. Let us revise the methods of multiplying 2 and 3-digit numbers with a 1-digit number. Let us multiply 44 by 3. Solution. Arrange the numbers. Here, 44 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. Starting with the units place, we have 4 into 3 is equal to 12. We write 2 in units place of answer and carry over 1/10 above 4 in tens place of multiplicand 44. Now, multiply 4 tens by 3 and then add the carried over 1 tens to the product. That is, 4 tens into 3 is equal to 12 tens over 1 tens is equal to 13 tens. Write 13 to left of 2 in answers place. Therefore, answer is 44 into 3 is equal to 132. Example 2. Now, let us multiply 207 by 2. Solution. Arrange the multiplicand 207 and multiplier 2. Put the multiplication sign, that is, cross sign, on the left. Starting with the units place, we will multiply 7 units by 2. Now, 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Write 4 in units place of answer. Carry over 1 tens to the tens place of multiplicand 207. Now, multiply 0 tens by 2 and add the carried over 1 tens to the product. That is, 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 0 plus carried over 1 is equal to 1. Write 1 in tens place in the answer. Next, multiply 2 hundreds by 2. 2h into 2 is equal to 4h. Write 4 in hundreds place in answer column to the left of 1. Hence, answer is 207 into 2 is equal to 414. Next, we will understand how to multiply complete tens and hundreds by a one-digit number. We know that 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Thus, 3 tens into 2 is equal to how many units? Now, 3 tens into 2 means 3 tens added twice, which means 3 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 6 tens. And 6 tens is equal to 60 units. Thus, 3 tens into 2 is equal to 6 tens is equal to 60 units. How many is 3 hundreds into 2? 3 hundreds into 2 means 3 hundreds added twice is equal to 300 plus 300 is equal to 600. Thus, 300 into 2 is equal to 600 is equal to 600. In short, in the first example above, that is 3 tens into 2, just multiply 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and then place 1 zero of tens next to 6 and then you have 3 tens into 2 is equal to 60. Thus, if it is multiply by tens, place 1 zero next to the product of numbers. If it is multiply by hundreds, place 2 zeros next to the product of numbers. If it is multiply by thousands, place 3 zeros next to the product of the numbers and so on. Let us see the other side of these examples. Now, could 3 tens into 2 and 3 into 27 be the same? Solution. 3 tens into 2 is equal to 6 tens, as it is 3 tens taken twice. Now, in 3 into 2t is equal to 60, as it is 2 tens taken thrice. Similarly, 300 into 2 is equal to 3 into 200 is equal to 6h is equal to 600. Let us solve the exercise 35 based on the examples learnt. Question. Write the proper number in the boxes. 13 tens is equal to how many units? As taught earlier, just place 1 zero of tens next to the number 13 to convert it into units. Thus, 13 tens is equal to 130 units. Similarly, 5 tens is equal to 50 units. 7 hundreds into 5 means multiply 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Place 2 zeros of 100 next to 35. Thus, 700 into 5 is equal to 3,500 units. 500 into 2 is equal to 5h into 2. Let us learn multiplication of two two-digit numbers. Exercise 36. Question 1. Multiply 60 into 20. Solution. Let us see the steps of multiplication. First, multiply the multiplicand 60 by 0 units of the multiplier 20. The product is 0. Then, multiply the multiplicand 60 by 2 tenths of the multiplier 20. The product is 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, 60 into 2 is equal to 120. Now, write 60 into 20. In first row below the lines, write the product of 60 into 0 is equal to 0. Then write the product of 60 into 2t is equal to 1200. Add these products to get the final answer is equal to 1200. Hence the answer is 60 into 20 is equal to 1200. Question 2. Multiply 67 by 52. Solution. Arrange the number. First, multiply 67 by 2 units of the multiplier 52. 67 into 2 units is equal to 67 into 2, as 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Carry over 1 to tens place of 67. Then 6 into 2 plus carried over 1 is equal to 13. Therefore, 67 into 2 is equal to 134. Write 134 below 67 into 52. Now, put plus sign to the left below 134. Now multiply 67 by 5 tenths of 52. 67 into 5 tenths is equal to 67 into 50. Multiply 67 by 5. Then place 1 zero next to the product of 67 into 5. Thus, 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Carry over 3 to tens place of 67. Thus, 6 into 5 plus carried over 3 is equal to 30 plus 3 is equal to 33. Therefore, 67 into 5 is equal to 335. Thus, 67 into 5 tenths is equal to 3,350. Write 3,350 below 134 and add. Hence, answer is 67 into 52 is equal to 3484. Now, let us solve an example from exercise 37 which deals in multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. 1. Multiply 981 by 32. Solution. Arrange the multiplicand 981 and the multiplier 32. Starting from the units place, multiply 981 by the units place digit 2 of the multiplier 32. That is 981 into 2. We have 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Carry over 1 tens to 9 hundreds. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Plus carried over 1 is equal to 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. Therefore, 981 into 2 is equal to 1962. Write this first product below 981 into 32. Put a plus sign. Next, multiply 981 by 3 tenths of the multiplier 32. 1 into 3 tenths is equal to 3 tenths. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Carry over 2 to 9h. 3 into 9 is equal to 27 plus carried over 2 is equal to 29. Therefore, 981 into 3 tenths is equal to 29,430 units. Write the product below 1962 and find their sum in 981 into 32. While writing the second product, do not forget to write the 0 of tens under place of first product. Hence, answer is 981 into 32 is equal to 31,392. Let us multiply a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number from exercise 40. Question 1. Multiply 4,325 into 2. Solution. Arrange the multiplicand 4,325 and multiplier 2 vertically. Starting from units place, we have 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Write 0. Carry over 1 tens to tens place of 4,325. Next, 2 tens into 2 is equal to 4 tens. Add the carried over 1 tens. Thus, 2 tens into 2 is equal to 4 tens plus 1 is equal to 5 tens. Write 5 tens in tens place. Next, 3 hundreds into 2 is equal to 6 hundreds. Write 6 hundreds in answer place. Next, 4,000 into 2 is equal to 8,000. Write 8 in answers place to the left of 6. Hence, answer is 4,325 into 2 is equal to 8,650. Exercise 41. Let us multiply a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Question 1. Multiply 6,712 into 73. Solution. Arrange the numbers. Starting from units place, multiply 6,712 by 3 units. 3 into 2 units is equal to 6 units. Write 6 in answer place. 3 into 1 tens is equal to 3 tens. write 3 to the left of 6. Now, multiply 3 into 7 hundreds. 3 into 700 is equal to 2100. Write 1 to left of 3 in answer place. Carry over 2 in thousands place. Next, multiply 6000 into 3. 3 into 6000 is equal to 18,000 plus carried over 2 is equal to 20,000. Write 20 to the left of 1 in answers place. Therefore, 6,712 into 3 units is equal to 20,136. Now, write this first product 6,712 into 73. Next, put 1 zero of tens below 6 in answers place. As we will now multiply 6,712 by 7 tens, multiply 6,712 by 7. 2u into 7 is equal to 14 units. Write 4 in answers place. Carry over 1 to tens place. Next, 1 tens into 7 is equal to 7 tens plus carried over 1 is equal to 8t. Write 8 to left of 4 in answers place. Next, 7 hundreds into 7 is equal to 4900. Write 9 to left of 8 and carry over 4 to thousands place. Next, 6 thousands into 7 is equal to 42,000 plus carried over 4,000. Thus, 6,000 into 7 is equal to 46,000. Write 46 to left of 9 in answers place. Hence, 6,712 into 7 is equal to 46,984. Write this product to left of 0 in 6,712 into 73. Now add the products 20,136 plus 4,69,840. Adding 20,136 and 4,69,840, we get 4,89,976. Hence, answer is 6,712 into 73 is equal to 4,89,976. Let us learn how to estimate the products of two numbers. Exercise 43. Question 1. Find a number than which the product is definitely greater. 1. 65 into 48. Solution. The number 65 has 6 tens, that is 60. The number 48 has 4 tens, that is 40. Therefore, 65 is greater than 60 and is greater than 40. Multiply 6 tens into 4 tens is equal to 24 tens, that is 2,400. The product 65 into 48 will be greater than 2,400. Question 2. 519 into 83. Solution. The number 519 has 5 hundreds, that is 500. The number 83 has 8 tens, that is 80. Now, 519 is greater than 500. 83 is greater than 80. And 500 into 80. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Place the 2 zeros of 500 and 1 zero of 80 next to 40. Thus, 500 into 80 is equal to 40,000. Answer is, the product 519 into 83 is greater than 40,000. Let us learn easy multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, which we already learned in a few examples solved earlier. Example: 235 into 10 is equal to 2350. 235 into 100 is equal to 23,500. 235 into 1000 is equal to 2,35,000. Thus, when we multiply a number by 10, we put 1 0 at the end. When we multiply by 100, we put 2 zeros at the end. And when we multiply by 1000, we put 3 zeros at the end of the number to get the product. Let us learn multiplying by complete tens and complete hundreds. For example, when we want to multiply 3 into 20, just multiply 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and place the 0 at the end of the product 6 obtained. Thus, 3 into 20 is equal to 60. In the same way, 3 into 60 is equal to 180. That is, 3 into 2 is equal to 18. Place the 0 at the end of the product 18 obtained. Hence, multiplying by any one of the complete tens, 10, 20, 90, etc., means multiplying by the digit in the tens place and then putting a 0 at the end of the product obtained. Also, 3 into 600 is equal to 1800. That is, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Then place 2 zeros at the end of the product 18 obtained. 3 into 900 is equal to 2700. That is, 3 into 9 is equal to 27. Then place 2 zeros at the end of the product 27 obtained. Hence, multiplying a given number by any one of the complete tens, 100, 200, 900, etc., means multiplying by the digit in the hundreds place and then putting 2 zeros at the end of the product obtained. Exercise 44. 45 into 10 is equal to 450. As 45 into 1 is equal to 45, then place 1 zero at the end of the product 45. 79 into 20 is equal to 1580. As 79 into 2 is equal to 158, then put 1 zero at end of 158. 21 into 30 is equal to 630. 21 into 3 is equal to 63. Then put 1 zero at the end of 63. 34 into 100 is equal to 3400. 34 into 1 is equal to 34. Then put 2 zeros at the end of 34. 12 into 1000 is equal to 12,000. 12 into 1 is equal to 12. Then put 3 zeros at end of 12. Let us learn how to find factors of any number. Exercise 45. Question 1. Find the factors of the following numbers. Write all pairs of factors. 1. 50. Solution. Now, as we have learnt, every number has the number itself and 1 as its factor. 50 is equal to 1 into 50. In table of 2, 50 is equal to 2 into 25. 50 cannot be divided by 3 completely. So, 3 is not a factor of 50. The remainder is 2. 50 cannot be divided by 4 completely, as remainder is 2. So, 4 is not a factor of 50. In table of 5, 50 is equal to 5 into 10. Thus, factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50, as 50 is equal to 1 into 50. 50 is equal to 2 into 25. 50 is equal to 5 into 10. Question 4. Both 61 and 47 do not come in any other tables. So the factors of 61 are 1 and 61. The factors of 47 are 1 and 47. Question 2. Take any 5 two-digit numbers. Write them as products of two numbers and write the factors. Solution. Let us take first number 10. 10 is equal to 1 into 10. 10 is equal to 2 into 5. Therefore, pairs of factors of 10 are 1, 10 and 2, 5. Now let us take 12. 12 is equal to 1 into 12. 12 is equal to 2 into 6. 12 is equal to 3 into 4. Therefore, pairs of factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. Let us find the factors of 14. 14 is equal to 2 into 7. 14 is equal to 1 into 14. 14 is equal to 2 into 7. Therefore, pairs of factors of 14 are 1, 14, 2, 7. Let us take the fourth number, 15. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 15 is equal to 1 into 15. Therefore, pairs of factors of 15 are 1, 15, 3, 5. Now lastly, let us take 30. 30 is equal to 1 into 30. 30 is equal to 2 into 15. 30 is equal to 3 into 10. 30 is equal to 5 into 6. Therefore, pairs of factors of 30 are 1, 30, 2, 15, 3, 10, 5, 6.